Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorial, and today we will continue talking about the dots and about the points in Dynamo. Actually, this last topic about the points, so finally you did it. You now know everything about the dots. Not actually everything, but you know the basic things to create something interesting in Revit. After this stage you can say like you are going to the advanced level, so we can't say about that. So this topic we will continue and we will finish about the points, and we will do today the NURBS form. So the NURBS form is more interesting than we did the previous ones, so I will show you how you can manipulate with that, how you can use it and try to use in your own project. So this not will be long topic, so and let's get started. Again, let's go back to the Revit, let's open up it, let's create the new architecture template, or you can use whatever you want, for example your own or my own, which is free. You can download it if you want, just let me know below the comments. And let's go to the manage, and here we will find Dynamo. So we can actually use the any version of Dynamo, but right now I'm using the version 2.1, so don't forget about that. See, if you cannot find something, maybe you should update your Dynamo. Anyway, so let's go back, and what we're gonna do now we will create the coordinates. So as always we need the point by coordinates, so it's here. Oh no, that one, we need the Z2. So and let's create the point by coordinate. We need it's 3. As you know, to create the arc you need 3 points by coordinate. Okay, here it is, and what we're gonna do, we should let's do the first our view more understandable to us. I mean now I can see my dots properly. Okay, so this dot will be 0 as always. So this dot will change the Y direction, so we need code block, let's say the 10, and let's connect 10 to the Y. And here is the second dot, and that dot will get also the Y, but not actually. We need code block. Yeah, let's create the code block like x divided by 2, and this one will be the Y direction. So it will be always on the middle side. As I said, we will start to use already the code blocks, and let's do that. But as you know, this is not finished because we should extend it, I mean make it above all these dots. So actually we can just copy these blocks to the Z direction. The Z direction, this is height, and as you can see right now this is height. Okay, so we have 3 points, and we now need only points by 3 arc, or arc by 3 point. So arc by 3 points, so it's here, and let's connect first to the first, last to the last, and last, this is middle one, and let's connect that one to the last. So this, okay, and we get the arc finally. So you now know how to create arc. I think for the 100 year I mean all the arcs you can do without any problem. Okay, so we have one arc, and we should get like one more arc. So we have like a lot of ways. So now you just can create few more dots and just use that, or you can just move it and you will get the second arc. It's only up to you. I will leave it on you. So I will show you how you can, for example, copy this arc. Just use the move. You will find here the move translate. Connect your arc to the geometry and use the code block. For example, we are using the Y direction. Let's use the Z direction. Let's say 10. And connect 10 to the X, and you will get the copy of your arc. But the problem is we don't have any points right now. Maybe later on we should get some points from this arc, so this will be a problem. It's not will be a problem, but you know, you do not know how to manipulate it on this stage. So let's say this way for more professional. We are not professional yet. We will use the code blocks again. So yeah, I'm sorry guys, but we will use the code blocks. Okay, so let's create again 3 points. The first point, it will be already -5. Let's do -10 even, and let's connect to the X one. So here is our second point, as you can see on the right on your screen. Let's say I will do the big mod, as you're asking me a lot of the times, sorry. So here is our dot, as you can see. Okay, and let's maybe do more close. Okay, so this is better. Okay, and we should create now that dot. Let's connect it also the X, and now everything connecting to the X and to the -10, and this one also the -10. Everything what we will do the next, it's pretty same. Let's do the same code block, X divided by 2. As you can see, X, it's nothing, we should connect something, and let's connect to the Z, and we need one more code block, let's say 10. We can do one more code block, or we can do like that, just click on this field and say enter, right here the 10, and don't forget about the the dots, squats, dots, I don't know. Let's connect it, and you will get this dot. Okay, awesome. This 10 divided by 2. Okay, we get it, this dot, and we should connect it also to the Y. Done. Okay, and now we should connect that one to the Y2. Oh, like this. Done. And we need one more arc, so that's simple as that. So let's connect everything, and let's connect that one, this to the first, this to the middle, and that one to the last, and we get the second arc. We spent like few minutes and get already all the points. So as I said, you can use the different ways to create the result. So what we're gonna do now? Now we should connect this point and that point, and let's make the two different way. First I wanna create again the arc. I'm sorry, yes, I wanna create the arc. For that one I need one more point. Let's create the one more point. Let's unconnect everything, and this point will be a bit interesting. This point will be on this side, so between these two dots. So if it's between two dots, we should make X divided by 2, right? So this will be middle one. Let's connect that one to that one, so our -10 will be divided by 2, it will be -5, and we will get here the result. And now we should a bit extend it on this side, so it's -Y2. Let's connect, and we get result here, as you can see. So, and finally, let's create again one more arc. Let's unconnect everything, unconnect, and this point will be the middle one. Let's connect to the second one. Now I should find this point. Where is this point? I think this first one. Let's connect first one to the first one, and that point is -10. This point, as you can see it here. Let's connect, and we get the second arc. Okay, finally we're already under the finish. Now we should create the one more thing. We should create the surface by sweep. So let's find by sweep. Let's write here the by sweep. So here two rails, so by sweep, and here it's really interesting way. So we should choose the path. Okay, seems I get some yeah, this is wrong, this is not that solid, so let's delete it. We should use by sweep to rails, so the name is actually same, but this is about the solid, this is about the surface. We should get about surface. Okay, so as far as we're good, and we can use, for example, this arc, that arc, it will be our profile. Let's connect. That arc will be our guidance line, and that part arc will be our path. And we get the result as you can see right now on your screen. So we get this interesting shape, but it's not finished. We just starting. Actually, we're not starting. We're already under the finish, but we will increase our idea. So now we get this shape, and let's create from this shape to the new shape, and that will be more interesting and useful. So now we should go again back to the library, and we should find now the new node. Let's write the surface, because last time I did a mistake. Point at the parameter, so we need that one. Okay, so our surface, we're connecting to the surface, and now we have UV map. UV map, it means it's a local map without our global coordinate. We will use the local coordinate on this geometry, so this is what I mean. Now we need the code block. Let's say 0.1.0.1. So we starting from the 0 to the 1, and each point will be going from the 0, 1, and that's why we get 11 parameters like 0, 0.5, 1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.1, 3, 4, and till the 1. Let's connect that one to the U and to the V parameter. And we get a lot of the points here. Actually, not a lot. We can say, for example, till the 10, and we will get more points. You will see 100 points right now. But we need only 11 points. It will be enough for us. Okay, so and now we need to create one more parameter. It's called the NURBS surface by control points. So let's find that. Let's find here the NURBS surface by control points. So this here by control points. So let's use it, and let's connect points to the control vertices. Nothing will change, and we will get the warning. So this warning we will fix it up right now. But before I will do, let's have a look what we get on our form. I will go to the 3D mode. I will do like this, and look here. As you can see, I get dots like the crossing, like not the straight, but on like diagonal, called crossing our surface. So this showing us like we not get all the points, we get only the half of that, even not half. So how we can fix it up? Because I want to get all the points from this surface, we should change the leasing. Let's select this surface pointed parameter and right click on that, and here you will find the not leasing, lacing, and let's change the after mode to the cross product. Once you will change to the cross product, you will see all these points. So around our model, I will do like that, and you will see around our model we get all these points. So this is what I want. Okay, let's go back, and now let's say I want to change 1 to the 10, and I will get not 11, I will get like hundreds of these points. So will change, and as you can see we get hundreds of these points. It means you get this shape because it will close. So as far as so good, right? And you can imagine how long you will spend time to create kind of this shape. Anyway, you can play around. You can say like hundreds and maybe each 5. Let's check it out what we will get, and just few seconds, and we get the shape like that. Let's hide our main shape. I will unswitch off the preview, and we get the shape like that. And maybe I will say I wanna maybe 0.2. Let's check it out what we will get, and we get the situation like that. So now you know how to create the kind of the shape by NURBS face, and how you can get the dots from your faces. On this stage we will finish working with dots, I mean with the points by coordinates. After that we're starting working with the families, with some parameters and everything else what we can load inside Dynamo or we can upload from that. The later on, after all these things, we starting a bit like changing our nodes, and we will start to use the Python tool. So as you understand, if you not get some points, you should asking about that one in below this video. Let's say you just asking some comments. Okay, and the second thing, you should know everything what we looked on the previous tutorials. And the next tutorials, all this knowledge will help you to understand better what's going on. Don't be shy, you can always ask any question. Don't forget, you don't have that stupid question. On each stupid question you will get really smart answer. So this is your way how you can learn fast. Don't forget about that. For today it's finished. Don't forget about the likes, share and comment, of course. By this way you will help me and to understand do you like this topic or no. I'm trying to share with you my knowledge, and I hope it will help you. Thank you so much guys watching me, and see you soon. To support my channel you can go to Gumroad, check that my store. There you can find bundle of this Dynamo scripts, or you can buy 2-story complete house or even the 2-story residential classic house. By this way you supporting my channel and you making me happy to creating the new videos for you guys. And that's it from today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my social media, leave some comments for this video and give some like, and see you next time.